Hello, welcome to Maths by Miss B. Today's video is about inequalities. Now, inequalities signs are what you need to know about. Inequalities are basically something that is not equal to. So as you already know, anything with two parallel lines like this, those are equal to signs. But inequality signs are like this, where you have a greater than sign, or you could have a less than sign. So those are the kind of signs we're going to be looking at in this video. So what you need to know, a sign pointing to the left is known as a less than sign. A sign pointing to the left with an equal to sign is known as less than or equal to. A sign pointing to the right is known as a greater than sign. A greater than. If you've got a sign like that again, but with another line underneath it representing the equal to, so that's known as greater than or equal to. Okay, so that's the first thing. You need to be able to read these signs and understand what they mean. So let's just have a look at some examples. Here, the first one, we've got an 8 and we've got a 6 on the right hand side. Just so simply reading from left to the right, 8 is what compared to that 6? Well, 8 is greater than 6. 8 is bigger than 6. Let's have a look at part B. 2 is what when you compare it to the 3? 2 is less than 3. The next one, 7. Compare that to the 10. 7 is less than 10. So if it's pointing to the left, it's less than. Next one, 5 is what compared to 0? 5 is greater than 0. 4 is greater than a negative 1. For F, minus 4 is less than 6. G is 9, where we've got 9, which is less than 9.4. H, 0 is greater than minus 1. Let's just have a quick look at number 2, where it's asking us to write down an inequality for each of the following. So we need to represent this as an inequality. So x is greater than 8. How can we write that as an inequality? X, that's any value which is greater than 8. That's all you need to write. For part B, we're looking at x being less than 3. How can we write that using the inequality? X is less than 3. So that means we're looking at any values which are less than 3. For the next one, x is less than or equal to 1. So x is less than or equal to 1. So that means we're looking at all the values which are either 1 or lower than 1. For the next one, x is greater than or equal to 0. That's going to be written as such. X is greater than or equal to 0. Question E, x is less than 7. So x is less than 7. We're looking at all the values which are below 7. Question F, x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So x is greater than or equal to a negative 2. So we're looking at values negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. G, where x is less than or equal to a negative 10. Where x is less than or equal to a negative 10. So we're looking at all the values below a negative 10. So, and it includes negative 10. So it's negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, and so on. H, where x is greater than 5. Okay, hope that makes sense. So here we are saying x is greater than 6. That's what this means. X is greater than 6. What you can do at this stage is pause the video, have a go at these questions, and then press play again to look at the answers. Part B, x is less than 2. C is x is greater than or equal to 1. Part D, x is less than, running out of space here, or equal to 4. Okay. X is greater than or equal to 0. As I say, math is learnt by doing, so what you can do is pause the video here, have a go at these yourself, and then play the video. X is less than or equal to a -4. X is less than a -2. For the last one, x is greater than 20. Okay, right, that's it for now. I hope this makes sense. Looking at these inequality signs, it does help if you try the questions yourselves by pausing the video and having a go. Okay, if you did find this video helpful, please find time to subscribe and click the bell button so you do get a reminder when a new video comes up. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.